Grade 2, Josimo Joseph of Golden Manta. Grade 3, Matt Neal of Juan Locosur. Grade 4, Enrico
Three, huh? What's his time?
Yeah, that's about
30 seconds.
Using 5.310, swimming in lane 0, Von Andre of the Lustre East. Lane 1, Earl Rex of FTW Royals. Lane 2, Carl Ington of Surge United. Lane 3, Michael Anthony of Bill Foreign. Lane 4, Ramon Tales of St. Marks. Lane 5, Ryan of Juan Locosur. Lane 6, Basti of Eta Caloocan. Lane 7, Lawrence Can of Atlantic. Lane 8, Vince of Michael Portas. Lane 9, Diego Castile of Thomas Atlantic Club. Skippers permit 3-1 now. Once again, skippers permit 3-1-1. Please proceed to the red bench now.